Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on this video I'm going to continue building the transmission for this RC Tamiya glove liner. Alright, this is step 23 and let's get the parts. So the first part, it's this nut is two of them, and you're gonna find it in your bag of parts, right? The kit comes with bags of parts label, and it's going to be on BC1. So C, okay, right here, C1. All right, is this nut right here? Okay, let me get a close-up, and very tiny. Okay, it's this one right there. Okay, and it's going to be two of them. All right, there you go. Okay, right there. Okay, this little nuts. All right, and if you're not sure, always you can compare it to the drawing right here on the left. You can compare by using this drawing. Okay, so I have two of them. Then the next one is this part, BE2, and that one is going to be right here. BE2. So it's not B, it's E, because the first letter B stands for back, and then the second letter E is the actual part, E2. So E2 is this one. So two of them is going to be this one. Okay, and here's the other one. Okay, right there. Okay, this is the part. Alrighty. Okay, let's put them on the side. Okay, and the next part is BF2. Okay, and that one's going to be three of them. Okay, BF2. Okay, and it's this one. All right, let me get a better precision. Okay, and it's going to be the one with the fine thread. All right, this one right there. You notice it has a fine thread. So because there's a other one that doesn't have the fine thread, so make sure it's the one with the fine thread. Okay, that's a screw. Okay, and it's three of them, so one more. Okay, all right, now let's put this on the side. All right, so here's the three screws. Okay, BF2. Okay, and just make sure they're the ones with the fine thread. Okay, all right, now we have that. Okay, and now we need this part. This is the gearbox plate A. Okay, and you're gonna find it in one of these bags. All right, is this one. Okay, all right, this one is this one. Okay, so we got the plate. Then we need part J2. Part J2 is going to be in this tree of parts. This is J, the whole section is J, and it's going to be J2, and it's going to be this one. Hard to see it, but it's this one. All right, so I'm just gonna turn it, and easily comes off. And these little sharp things, you can remove them by using your X-Acto knife. All right, always remember to be careful using X-Acto knives, right? Be very careful because they're very sharp, and try to cut away from you when you're cutting. Okay, so that should do it, nice and clean. All right, we have that one done, and the next part is it's this little long tubes, okay, and that one you'll find them in one of the bags that has all these little bars. Okay, so I need 3 of them. They're all the same size. Okay, all right, and it's right here. Okay, and inside you can see that they have thread, right? Thread inside on both sides. Okay, right there. Okay, there you go. Okay, so 3 of them, and now we need Loctite. Okay, we have our Loctite here that the Tamiya kit provides, right? Okay, this is the Loctite. All right, and now we start building it. Okay, so first part, we grab this one, and then we grab well, you can start either way you want, but let's start with this. Okay, one of these little barrels, this long I don't know, well, here's the name. Okay, plate stay. I guess that's what it is. It says plate stay. Okay, but this long tube. All right, so this one, and then followed by the BF2. BF2, it's BF2 right here. Okay, this one. All right, the screw goes right there, and then here goes the other one. Okay, just screws like this. Okay, I noticed here in the drawing it doesn't say put Loctite, but on this one does say put Loctite on this too, but on this one is not color blue, saying that to use Loctite, but I wonder why. So I'm going to go ahead and put Loctite because this is not plastic, so it's going metal to metal. It looks like aluminum. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put Loctite right there. All right, just like that, and screw it in. Okay, all right, I'm gonna tighten it up in a little bit. Okay, and then now the other one, it's goes right here. Okay, same thing. All right, just like that. And then the bottom one right here. Okay, just like this. All right, there we go. Okay, now I go ahead and make sure they're tight. All right, they're tight, but not super tight. All right, okay. So, all right, now I need to install this thing. Okay, part J2, and it goes right here. It shows that the little lip, this little lip goes outside, and the big one goes inside. Okay, so just like this. All right, right there. You can see, align it with the holes. Okay, and the nut goes right there. Okay, so I'm going to install the little nuts there. One here, right there. Okay, and now I need the screw. And you know what? I lost the other screw. Oh, that's not good. Okay, let's put this one. All right, just like this. Okay, very tiny screw. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and also use Loctite. Let me take it back out. Okay, and let's go ahead and put Loctite right here. Okay, and a little bit on the nut. Okay, it's kind of tricky working with this small screws. You know what, let me put a little bit more. And it's kind of sticky too. The Loctite makes it sticky. All right, I'm making a big mess right here. All right. Okay. Let me lift it up. Right there. Okay. All right. Now, let me tighten it up. Okay, this one not too much because remember it's a plastic. Okay, just be careful with this one. Okay, and you can wipe off the extra Loctite. Okay, just like that. Okay. All right, now I need to install the other one, and I happen to lose the screw. The screw was right here. Oh, actually it's right here. Look at that. So tiny, so small that, okay, easy to get lost. It was actually here. All right, so now, again, the nut. I'm gonna put Loctite right there. Now the nut. Okay, and now Loctite on the screw. Wow, very small screws right there. Okay. Okay, now, okay, I hold the nut so it doesn't fall. Okay, right there. Okay, a little bit more. All right, and that's done. Right now I noticed that if this one, since it's a pretty small spot, I mean, since the screw is not that long, I noticed it grabs really fast, and if you do it too hard, it starts to slip, right? It slips, so be careful not to strip it. Okay, all right, this just tight, but don't overdo it because it might strip the screw. Okay, so all right, and that's it for this part 23. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and clean this up, make it more nicer, right? Because it looks pretty messy. Okay, but that's pretty much it. This is how part 23 looks like, and that's it for this video. So thank you again for watching this video, and I'll see you on part 24. Okay, thank you again, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, everyone. Everything was going just fine until I realized I checked the footage on the video, and I noticed I made a big mistake when I built it. This little thing, well, this two, right? If you notice this two from this angle, right, the two right here, they're supposed to be aligned. So one goes here and then the other one is here, so both of them are aligned, right next to each other. And on the video I accidentally installed it here, right here. So here you can see the mark because I had to remove it, right? This is where I installed it on this video, and it's wrong. So it doesn't go here, it's supposed to be on the bottom right below it, because it has to be both of them has to be right next to each other, not here, because once you get to the next step 24, then it won't fit, right? This part, the new plate is not gonna align. So sorry about that for showing you the wrong way. So don't put it here, okay? Put it below it, okay? So that's the correction I had to do. I had to learn the hard way. All right, so thank you again. I'll see you on step 24, where I'm gonna show you how to build this part. Okay.